Demand for COVID tests is overwhelming supply.
Yeah, some Walgreens are just out of take-home kits. CVS needed a new partner to boost its stock this week. And so many people are crowding free sites that one of the biggest is reaching a breaking point. Reporter Larry Sievert is in Covedale. Okay, Larry, we know the library is giving away free tests. Are they able to keep up with demand?
Tanya, they're trying. Just today, this drive-through branch got a shipment of 300 COVID test kits, and as they do every day, they go fast. But suppliers, bigger suppliers, feel even more stress.
They're gonna put something on my nose.
It's hardly every patient's happy place.
I'm really nervous.
But if you think the guy in charge of the crew getting paid by the state of Kentucky to test people for coronavirus enjoys the long lines serving him 1,000 patients a day,
we're burnt out.
Tony Remington's swab of reality is different.
We don't want to do testing anymore. We don't want to set up drive-thrus, but it's a culmination of things.
His Covington lab and staff run 5 drive-through clinics in the Commonwealth and Indiana, with plans for at least 15 more in 2 weeks. This one opened in April, expecting little more than parents screening kids too young for vaccine. Then Delta variant infection surged as schools reopened and certain entertainment venues and cities began demanding vaccination proof or test results proving people are COVID-19 free. Combined, it created the perfect storm of demand for Gravity Diagnostics.
We're close to having to say, sorry, we can't set that up for you anymore, but we're not there yet.
Ludlow's Michael Tudor, who is fully vaccinated but gets tested every 2 weeks, noticed testing lines swelled 2 weeks ago.
I'm glad that people are getting tested. Like I said, we've been trying to do it pretty regularly just to make sure we're not passive carriers.
For Kiera Martinez,
I've been feeling a little bit sick.
it's a stressful wait. The mom of 6 needs to know her status quickly, but found few options.
I went to Walgreens and also I went to emergency room and they said they were not able to do the COVID test.
Some Walgreens stores are out of take-home kits. Wednesday, CVS brought in a new supplier to meet rising nationwide demand. Even Hamilton County's public libraries, giving away free tests and drive-thrus, are struggling to keep them in stock.
We don't want to see one person that wants testing not be able to get testing and a fast result.
It's why Remington's crew now works 7 days a week, some of them pulling 18-hour days, to make sure their clinics get rapid results for as many as they can.
To be clear, the public library branches that have kits, they're all drive-thrus like the one here in Covedale. And at last check, at least 3 of them, including this one, still have tests on hand. Live in Covedale, Larry Sievert, WCPO 9 News.